Hello. Sucks being sick. Hate it. Ew. Okay. The forks on this one are wonky, so I kind of have to steer like to the side for it to go straight, but I can still have fun on it. Alright. Oh, got that slow wheelie. Alright. Oh, the stars are out. It's so nice out tonight. So nice out. I don't have any front brake. My brake line went out, and it's every time I squeeze it, it spills brake fluid all over the front tire. I wish I could do this with my foot like up on the peg, but like up here, but I can't because I have a skill issue and I have to have it kind of like down to balance. I don't know. Woo! Whoopsie! Alright. What else can I do? I can't do stoppies right now because no front brake. It's just a few wheelies, I guess. Oh, got potholes. So many potholes. It's so bumpy. See how slow it can, oh, I can't go any slower than that. I can't go any slower than that. Oh man, I love this bike. It's a good bike. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. My. Let's try that again. Ah, damn it. I do have a lack of skill. Like, I can't do simple tricks like that. There we go, that was a little better. Ugh. There we go, see, my foot was up there for a sec. It's just not always up there. I don't know. I don't know, my guys. Oh my god, there's so many big potholes on this road. Oh. Second wheelies. Oh man, I wish I could do some stoppies right now. I'm pretty good at them, but I can't. Here, let's get one knee up here and then hold up. Like, I can do this, I swear. A little circle. Fudge. A little circle on one knee if we can. I doubt I can though. Woo! Oh, it sucks having loose jeans because they just slide around on the seat. A little bit. I don't know. Oh, man. This bike is quite nice. Come on, I can do that better. I can do that better. There we go. Let's put the foot back. Oh, crap. Well, I'm definitely not a pro, that's for sure. But that's alright. It's nice to be out on the bike. This bike's hella slow though. It only goes like 25 on the full charge. Like, it's just top speed. It's slow. But it's also because I have it like geared down a ton because it has like a ton of torque down there and like, wow. Torque. Yeah, it's good. Stand on the pegs a little bit. Oh, it's really hard to balance side to side on the pegs. Like, the legs kind of keep you from balancing correctly. But let's do some wheelies. Woohoo! Make sure there's no one around. I don't want to bother anyone. People hate me when I do the stunts and stuff. I like them, but people don't like. Oh, it's so dark. Ooh! I swear the GoPro is probably just seeing pitch black and like the red little screen. I can't see anything. I don't even know if I'm on the road. Like, let's just speed up. Let's go really fast. This is a horrible idea. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh, this is so stupid. Holy moly. I don't want to die. What time is it? It's like 10:30. It's not even that late. Some wheelies in the dark. I don't want to die today, so nothing crazy for us. Oh, is that a cop? Oh. No, we're good. We're good. It's just an ambulance. We're good. Plus, I mean, I won't get arrested. My parents would get a fine if I'm caught, but anything's okay. We're good. Why do I always go on this part? Why don't I just go on the road? It's not that difficult, but this part of the my area is always really nice. The neighbors don't get too pissed when they see me out here, and like it's well lit most of the time, so I can do stuff like this. Yeah, I mean this part's always like wet, no matter what time it is or like what kind of season it is. It's always wet, so nothing I can do. But I can't go over there. Oh, I hate being on the pegs while going fast. It's so sketchy. I mean, but we can do it. It's possible. You know what? Let's do some no-footers. I suck at them, and I'm probably gonna crash, but let's see. Yeah. Ooh. Damn. Alright, alright. I mean, I guess I can kind of do them. Let's see. Let's try again. Hell yeah. I mean, I always kind of like my legs like twist to the side a little bit in a weird way, but it's alright. There's a car. I'm gonna just head out real quick so I don't piss anyone off, because people really don't like kids out on bikes. I don't know why. It sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Oh right, is this the road? No, the other road's with a bunch of potholes. Once I was going like fast in the dark and I hit a pothole on this bike and it was horrible. Like I was going maybe like 25, like the top speed of this thing. This thing's slow, but I was going that fast and I hit it and it was like pitch dark, no street light. So I hit it. Oh, that scared me. I forgot that was there. This is my bus stop. Let's go to my bus stop. Hello, bus stop. This is where I go every weekday to the place called school. And I don't like school. This is a bad place. Yeah. I don't know why I'm here. Let's go. Too close to the big roads. I don't want anyone seeing me. Oh, man. This suspension is so soft on this bike. It's actually crazy. Like, look at this. It's like I can bottom it out just from there. So stoppies are a little challenging and stuff when, you know, when they're so squishy. I don't know. Well, let's get some little blips. Damn it. I can't get the little, can't get the blips. It's harder on an electric. Let's take the turn. Let's take the turn. Oh, there's so many balls. Holy moly. Look at the potholes here. I would have died if I went in those. Oh boy, brother! Brother! Let's see if we can get the straight wheelie like this. Oh, I hate that. I hate that so much. I'm really bad at it. Oh, man. Oh, brother. Damn. Some wheelies down the street. There's no one here, right? We're good. We're good. Hell yeah. I can finally wheelie this bike good. I'm so happy about that. I mean, not really good. I still kind of suck, but better. Oh, there's a walking family. I won't bother them, just in case they're sketchy or something. People walking. I love my wheelies. I love them. Ow! Okay. I should probably go home. I don't want to, but there are people and I have social anxiety. I don't want to bother people. So, yeah, I guess that's where I'm gonna, oh, it's dark. I don't want to go in the dark. I don't want to go in the dark. What am I gonna do? Let's do some circle wheelies right here. Oh, shoot. Whoopsie. I love my circle. Oh, crap. Don't put that hand. Foot, not hand. Oh, my God. There are people coming towards me. They seem nice, though. I don't know, should I wave or should I do? They seem nice though. I mean, they're not like sketchy people, you know? I don't know. Oh, whatever. Oh, well. Let's just go up here. And then we'll do this. And then we'll go down. And we'll go around and around. Wow! This thing steers really good. I love the way racers steer. Yeah, they steer well right now. The torque drops off on this thing so fast. Like, anything above 20 miles an hour and it drops off. That was really good. That was really good. Like, did you see that? I pretty much slowed all the way down. That's called control. Yeah, I don't have a ton of that, but like, I'm better than I was when I was in like 6th grade or whatever. Almost in high school. That's gonna be fun. 8th grade kind of stinks right now. School's boring as hell. I don't know. But I'm gonna go to Smith Voc, which is vocational, so I can do crazy stuff like this more. Boy, I'm sick. That sucks. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Oh, that'll be fun. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this footage. I mean, I just thought it'd be fun to bust out the GoPro. I think I might put it on my YouTube channel. You know that? I might do it. I might put it on my YouTube channel. Why the hell not? Let's touch the tire. Let's touch the tire. Boop. Yeah, touch the tire.